Hey folks, just want to show you the difference between original OEM front bumper reinforcements and the aftermarket ones. Okay, first of all, the weight is 2 or 3 times as much, the original one, than the aftermarket. Okay, the weight alone tells you the amount of steel that's on it. Okay, this one here, you can tap it, sounds hollow. This is the original steel one. Hear it? There's a difference there. Look at this part over here. Look at the thickness of this metal here. Right there. And look at the thinness of this metal here. You see it? That's a difference there. Another difference is the way to weld it. Okay? These have a nice little long weld. Okay? This has a little tiny, what they call popcorn cheap weld. Just pop, pop. There it is, right? Another one. Okay? This one looks like it's in 2 pieces. This one looks like it's 1 piece. So together. Same thing here with the thickness. Remember I showed you? Okay? Look at the welds over here. Look at the weld over here. Okay? There's a double piece here. There's a plate. There's a reinforcement. Then there's another welded piece here. And this is the piece that collapses when you go and get hit. And look at this one. See the gap? See the cheap metal? That's the difference there. Okay? This is the part that you put the toe hitch on. No. Right there. That's onto a nice plate with a nice reinforcement. Look at this one. Thin. That thing will probably rip out in seconds. Another one is the thickness over here. Same thing. See it? And look at that. If this aftermarket piece got the same hit as this one will collapse. That will go right into your radiator support and you end up with more damage. But that's what's out there nowadays for aftermarket. So now you know why people complain and they want OEM, they want original stuff, they want junkyard stuff. Nothing wrong with junkyard stuff if it's the original metal. Okay? Just pointing it out to everybody. Aftermarket versus original equipment. The metal is much different. Okay? That's it. Thanks for watching.